Hello, we're back with another video. Hashtag Ebenezer Angels. We have another challenge for you. Bobbing for apples. Bobbing for apples. Yeah.
Alright, we have two teams. We have an orange team and a blue team. In the orange team, we have Walmart, smile. And in the blue team, we have Danya, smile. Alright, guys, turn around and wait until the timer starts so you guys can dig in your apples. Christy, can you please start the timer in 3, 2, 1. You may dig in. And we have the winner, Walmart! Woo!
Round 2. We have Kiki, the orange team, and we have Joe with the blue team. All right, girls, let's get it. Hit with the timer. Begin.
That's not funny. That's not funny.
I can't see.
I'm away.
I will cry. I will cry.
My apple is funny. I won.
Dang it! How?
Kiki won the challenge.
How? Bro.
Hope you guys enjoyed it.
See you next time. Bye.
Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.